Sitting 8 hours a day may feel normal in modern India. But for your brain, it can be the start of something very dangerous. I want you to imagine this. You are at your desk in Bengaluru or Mumbai. You have been on the computer since morning. You ignore a small pressure in your head. You drink one more cutting tea and push through. 3 months later, you are in an emergency room. Half of your face is weak. You cannot lift one arm, and your family keeps asking, how did this happen? He only had headaches. I am Dr. Hartwise, cardiologist and stroke prevention doctor. And in this video I will show you long sitting plus small daily headaches can be an early warning sign for stroke in desk workers, and how to change your day so your brain arteries stay open and protected. Stay with me until the end, because I will give you a simple desk routine that fits inside every hour, takes less than 3 minutes, and can cut your stroke risk in a very real way. Let us start with a hard truth. Your body was built for walking in the sun, not for 8 to 10 hours of chair plus screen. When you sit for long periods, 3 dangerous things happen inside your body at the same time. First, blood circulation in your legs slows down. The muscles in your calves work like a second heart. When they move, they squeeze the veins and push blood back up to your chest. When you sit still, these muscles go to sleep. Blood becomes more stagnant. Clots can form more easily. Second, your blood pressure climbs silently when you sit and stare at a screen. Stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline rise. Your neck becomes tight. Your shoulders fold forward. Your arteries get squeezed. This raises blood pressure in small spikes again and again all day. Third, your neck and upper back posture can partially pinch off blood flow to your brain, especially if you lean forward toward a laptop or hold the phone low in your hands. You do not feel blood pressure. You only feel, I am tired. I have a dull headache. My neck is stiff. Many people treat this with pain tablets or more coffee. But these small headaches can be the first signal that your brain arteries are under pressure. Let me tell you about Rahul, a 42-year-old software engineer from Pune. He worked from home after the pandemic, 10 to 12 hours a day in front of 2 screens. He rarely moved from his chair. To finish deadlines, he drank strong tea and ordered fast food at his desk. For 6 months, he had evening headaches. He thought they were due to blue light. He tried new glasses. He tried herbal tablets. Nothing changed. One evening during a call, his moved on survival mode. Speech became strange for a few seconds. His colleagues thought the internet froze, but it was his brain. He had a small transient ischemic attack, a mini stroke. When he came to my clinic, his blood pressure was 160/100. He had pre-diabetes, and his neck arteries already showed early plaque. Rahul was lucky. The mini stroke passed, but it was a very clear warning. This is why I tell my patients, if you have regular headaches with a desk job, you must never ignore them. Now let us break down the 5 big mistakes desk workers in India often make that push them closer to stroke and what to do instead. Mistake number 1. Sitting more than 1 hour without a single break. Your brain does not like long stillness. After about 45 minutes of sitting, blood flow to the brain begins to fall. You may feel heavy eyes, slower thinking, or a band of pressure around your head. Solution: use the 50-10 rule. For every 50 minutes of focused work, give yourself 10 minutes of gentle movement. Stand up, walk to get water, climb 1 or 2 flights of stairs if possible, do ankle circles and calf raises near your chair. This is not a gym workout. These are movement snacks to wake up your circulation. Mistake number 2. Working through headaches with more caffeine. Many caffeine, many definition. Indian office workers respond to tiredness with tea, coffee or energy drinks. Caffeine in small amounts can help focus, but combined with high stress and lack of water, it can push blood pressure even higher, especially in people over 40 or with family history of stroke. Solution: when you feel a headache at your desk, your first action should not be more caffeine. First, drink 1 full glass of water. Then take 3 slow breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Then stand and stretch your neck and shoulders. If the headache improves, your body was asking for blood flow and oxygen, not for more caffeine. Mistake number 3. Neck forward posture all day. Picture body yourself now. Is your head in line with your shoulders, or is it pushed forward toward the screen? For every 2.5 centimeters that your head moves forward, the load on your neck muscles doubles. This posture compresses arteries and can trigger cervicogenic headaches, headaches that come from the neck joints and muscles. Solution: bring the screen to your eyes, not your eyes to the screen. Raise your laptop with a stand or a few books. Use an external keyboard. Keep the top of your monitor at eye level. Every hour, gently retract your chin, as if you are making a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This opens the space for your neck arteries. Mistake number 4. Skipping lunch and then overeating late. Many desk workers skip proper meals during the day. They snack on biscuits, mixture, or instant noodles. Then eat a huge dinner at 10 or 11 at night. This pattern spikes blood sugar and blood pressure. It also worsens sleep. Poor sleep is one of the strongest stroke risk factors, especially when combined with hypertension. Solution: plan one brain-safe meal during your workday. Include one source of protein, such as dal, curd, eggs, paneer. One source of fiber, such as salad, vegetables, or whole grains. And healthy fats, such as nuts or seeds. Eat away from the screen when you can. Slow your breathing as you eat. This keeps your nervous system calm and supports stroke prevention. Mistake number 5. Never checking your blood pressure. Many people with desk jobs feel, I am not old, I do not smoke, I jog on weekends. So stroke is not my problem. But hypertension in India is appearing earlier and earlier. In some cities, 1 in 3 adults above 35 already has high blood pressure, often without any symptom. Headache is not a reliable sign, but repeated headaches plus long sitting plus family history should send you to a blood pressure machine very quickly. Solution: buy a simple digital arm blood pressure monitor. Keep it near your desk at home. Once a week, measure in the morning before tea, breakfast, and emails. Sit quietly for 5 minutes, feet flat on the floor, back supported, arms supported at heart level. Write down the numbers with date and time. If you often see values above 130/80, talk to your doctor. Do not wait for a big stroke to tell you that your numbers were dangerous. Now I promised you a mini routine. You can repeat many times a day to protect your brain while you sit and work. Here is the 3-minute brain protection break. Minute 1. Stand up and walk slowly around your room or office. Swing your arms gently. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 6 seconds. Minute 2. Do 20 calf raises. Hold a chair for balance. Rise up on your toes. Slowly lower. Then do 10 gentle half squats. Or sit to stand from your chair. Minute 3. Neck and shoulder reset. Roll your shoulders up and back 10 times. Gently tuck your chin and lengthen the back of your neck. Look left and right 5 times. Then add one stretch for your chest. Place your hands on the door frame and gently lean forward. In 3 minutes, you have improved blood flow in your legs, lowered stress hormones, and opened your neck arteries. If you repeat this small routine 4 to 6 times in your workday, you give your brain powerful stroke prevention support without going to the gym. Before we close, ask yourself 3 questions. First, how many hours do I really sit each day? Not what I believe, but what is the truth? Second, do I listen when my body whispers with mild headache, stiff neck, or heavy eyes, or do I only react when my body screams? Third, what is one change I can make this week that I can continue for the rest of my life? Maybe it is the 50-10 rule. Maybe it is 1 glass of water before every tea. Maybe it is checking your blood pressure for the first time in years. Stroke prevention is not one big heroic action. It is many small choices repeated every single day. If this video helped you see your desk in a new way, share it with a colleague who always complains of headaches but laughs when you mention blood pressure. I am Dr. Heartwise, your partner in keeping your heart and brain safe. Subscribe for more science-based tips, made for people in India who want to work hard without destroying their health. Take care of your chair time and your brain will thank you long after the laptop closes.